Since 1911, Hill Machinery has been pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We were there at the dawn of the automotive industry, and over a century later, we're still leading the way, providing automated assembly solutions for a wide range of industries.
We can provide complete, fully assembled assembly lines from tabletop all the way to 200-foot assembly lines, turnkey.
For the last 30 years, our specialty has been in interior and exterior automotive trim.
We do all of the basic post-molding, clips and screws and welding and hot or cold staking.
From door panels to interior components. We also manufacture automated cells with robotics, ultrasonic welding, screw driving, also some riveting as well. We supply the equipment, but we also service it. We're pretty well known for standing by our equipment.
24-hour service for maintenance on equipment that we provide. We have a lifetime service on our equipment for the life of the program. The same people that design and do the programming and the controls are the same people that service the equipment in the field. They know it inside and out.
We are an ISO 9000 shop. We have a quality system in place that from the beginning of our design through our manufacturing process to installation, quality system is utilized 100% of the process.
I mean, we really do have a very, very seasoned crew here, and that makes really all the difference in the world. We've seen a lot, we've done a lot, we've learned a lot.